It's the most wonderful time of the year, a time to spend with family and loved ones, and we at Santa's STEM Workshop have got an action-packed December with makes, bakes, crafts and experiments to keep you and your little ones busy throughout the festive period. And for today's experiment, we've enlisted the help of the wonderful Marvellous Marthy.
Hi, and welcome to Santa Loves STEM. And we are going to make a snowball catapult. For this one, you need 9 lollipop sticks. I chose red and green because it's Christmas. Squinch balls of cotton wool and an elastic band and a helper. So first you're going to pattern it. Be green, red, green, red, green. And then what you're going to do is you're going to grab a red. This time you're going to do it the opposite side, like a cross. You know, there's one line and then one straight in the middle. And then on top of it, at the same, horizontal. That way, carry on the pattern. Red, green, and then you need your helper to tie the elastic band around 2 edges tight. There you go, Daddy. Helper. These cotton balls are actually fake snowballs. I'm trying to make them look like fake snowballs, but you don't use the big one. You use scrunched up a little one. So I'm just going to roll it. So you can put your finger at whatever end, and then put the cotton wool on, bend it back, and shoot. Nearly got you. And there's your snowball catapult done. There's it. Okay, bye from Santa Loves STEM. Hope you enjoyed my video. And I hope yours works out really well. Okay, bye!